Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be trying food from Mexico.
So let's get started.
First, we have this. It says it is a carvofus.
It has a man on it with a hat, and it looks like a candy bar.
Okay, let's try it. I didn't read what it said on
like
it.
chocolate. I think it's chocolate. Just very chocolatey.
I think it's pure chocolate.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay.
It's pure chocolate. Okay. Let's do these.
We have different lollipops. The mini mine's a mini Palasso.
Mine's a Peloton.
So,
And this one has a boy holding an ice cream bar.
This one's a clown with a mask. Hold on. Why is it not opening? What's going on?
Mine has a thing.
Yeah, mine too.
It has this weird thing. I have no idea what it is.
Alright, I got mine open.
Oh. Stop.
It's a smiley face.
Wait, can I see that? Tastes like
Let me eat your eyeball.
chocolate. Marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
I give it a
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay, so next, let's try these.
Okay.
These are De La Rosa.
The La Rosa is a weird name. And it has a rose on it.
Ooh, it's
So
really
is this
crumbly.
rose? Oh yeah, that's really crumbly. Yeah, I already broke it.
Okay, mine's broken in half. It looks like a
Thing.
powdery.
Very powdery. Tastes like almonds.
Tastes like an almond thing. I give it a 5 out of 10. It's okay. I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah.
Next,
Aiden's. I have no idea what this is, but
oh, it looks like it's
it
chocolate.
says right
again.
here, chocolate.
Oh, it's chocolate flavored. Is this artificial chocolate?
Chocolate flavored chocolate? That's all I heard. All I heard was chocolate flavored chocolate.
It's a wafer.
Wafer. Tastes like a wafer. 10 out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, next we have these Duvalin. Be safe more.
And mine, does it say? Oh, it says
Hazelnut and strawberry.
hazelnut and vanilla. This one says hazelnut and vanilla.
So, it has this little spoon.
It's impossible to open.
So, you
So tiny.
use it to open.
Wait, you use it to open it?
No.
No, you don't.
Okay, and then you take your spoon thing and you scrape it. There you go. Actually, that's
so
not
part of
bad.
it's hazelnut and part of it's vanilla. I'm gonna start with the hazelnut side.
That's good.
I don't know if you're supposed to mix this.
Actually,
It tastes like pudding.
it's okay. I give it a
It tastes like pudding.
5 out of 10.
10
I
out of
just
10.
think it's okay.
11 out of 10.
Okay,
It's like pudding.
next we have to try a pulp original. Mine is watermelon flavored.
And mine is
Original.
original.
Mine is hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. Well, they're both hot and salted pulp red tamarind salt candy.
Oh no, this is gonna be bad. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. It looks so weird.
Oh, it smells hot.
Oh, wow.
We have waters.
That's really strong and it tastes like salt.
It's really watermelon. Okay. Well, we have another one to try. This one's watermelon and salty. We also have an extra spicy one.
Yes. Oh no.
That looks very
I'm not gonna smell it.
hot.
I'm gonna take a piece.
Just
It looks like it has tiny pepper flakes on it. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
That is hot. Okay. I give those a 3 out of 10. It's really hot and the other ones are just salty. It's not. It's just eh. Okay, well anyway,
It's disgusting.
we have these.
And these tiny
What are
candies.
they?
It says it is a super Nutella.
Nutella. And it has
It has
a
a
bear.
doggy.
That's
dog.
a bear.
A bear.
Oh,
That's
hey,
a dog.
it's a caramel. It looks like a caramel.
Okay, let's try it.
It is a
Wait,
caramel.
do you take this stuff off?
Yes, it's plastic.
Okay. Caramel. Salty caramel.
4 out of 10.
Salty caramel.
It's not my favorite caramel. Well, now we have a pica tamarind. Okay.
Okay.
Next we have. Okay. Wait. Okay, it's just chili pepper covered candy. Nothing to worry about. This is gonna be fun.
This doesn't look spicy at all. It's
How
covered with chili flakes.
How did you open it? Oh.
You
I
just
smell
like
that
them
caramel
like
in my
that.
mouth.
I ate one.
Oh. Looks like a giant Cocoa Puff, but I don't believe it. Ah! That is not good. It's chili, but I don't want to take another bite into it.
No.
That is 0 out of 10. That is disgusting.
A
It's
0 out of
spicy.
10.
Okay.
-0. This is our last one.
It's a
La Vicino.
Macafoquinta.
La Vicino. It looks like a caramel candy. Caramel on a stick.
And it's a milk caramel lollipop. How do you? Oh, just.
I got it off. Looks like this.
Looks like football.
Seat belt. Caramel.
It's a caramel pop. This is part 1 out of 3. We got a lot of Mexican candies, so we're gonna break it up to make the video shorter.
Yes.
Well, anyway,
That was our last thing. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
peace out. Bye. What about the watermelon one?
Can I have milk, please?
You want to try the salty watermelon one?